Okay, here we go. Apple Watch Series 4 unboxing. This is a little unusual this time because there will be 3 Apple Watch Series 4 unboxings. One being in a gold color, the other one being a silver white color, one with LTE, one without LTE. The first watch we'll begin unboxing will be this big bag. The first one, this watch. This is how we open the box. This watch is currently the Series 4 Aluminium Pink Sand Sport Band, 40mm. Not the LTE version. So we pull it off like this. Okay. That's what it does. So we have to pull the wrapping off ourselves. Not the intended way, but not good enough. This box is not the most sturdy box, but it's definitely pretty useful. This told I'm supposed to maybe like that. Which then I open the box like this. Pull this box out. It appears. Sorry for the very brief interruption. So the box comes out like this. It was from here. The Apple Watch box. So it comes in between 2 boxes, one being the band and one being the watch itself. Here it is, designed by Apple in California. We put in a nice little wrapped. In here, we also have our usual information on how to get started on the under band box. Follow the steps to attach your band to the Apple Watch. All that useful stuff. Unfortunately, no Apple stickers, it looks like. Not this time. Only your nice warranty information. This watch we will not be setting up. But we will be unboxing. This watch also comes with a charging cable, USB, and a power brick, also wrapped in a special material. Over the years of unboxing or Apple products, it seems that these materials have changed over time to be overall nicer, better, and more efficient. But you will not be unwrapping those 2 other objects, the power charging cable and the brick itself, as you probably already have seen before those bricks. The second thing we'll be unboxing will be the pink sport band. Keep in mind, this is not my watch. You open up to this end, and you're proceedingly just dumping out the other end, like this. Warranty information, possibly. Licensing. Instructions on how to do this stuff. And is here. Nice texture. This is not my band. This is not my watch. So we will go shove this back into the box nicely, and proceed to the next box, to the next watch. For a while, we will briefly take off the cover of the box. See, perfect in there. So far, no Apple stickers yet. Maybe none, if you want. So back to this watch, which is not mine. You seem to take off the cover by doing this. No, we're not taking it off. We're putting it back into the box. And we're just keeping it like this for now. We missed a step. I'm putting it back together in the box. You forgot to put back in this thing. What a great resource this is, isn't it? So this setup goes over here. The next watch will be this watch. The 44mm watch. Would you like to unbox this watch? Okay. So we start again with the usual, this pull tab. And that's a good unboxing, a good unwrapping of paper, of plastic. Same watch as before, same pull tabs as before. Have it upside down again. There we go. watch. All the nice design box work. With again, the same two boxes. This is the 44mm version, and this watch is slightly bigger. 44mm. Here's the digital crown. Here's the face itself. Dropped a nice little cushion. As again, the same charging cable you've seen before, and also the same little power brick. The boxes have to be with some kind of die something. Very nice. Again, we will also open up 44mm. Again, we will also open up the other side, which includes this band, which includes the band itself and some warranty information. After 3 times or 2 times, it feels like I should not be continuing. You've seen same stuff. Woohoo! Go more in depth with my other one, the one that I have. I want to shove it back in the box so I don't avoid confusion. It's not the best video in the world of unboxing 3 Apple Watches, but it's okay, as I have to put these boxes back together. This box is a solid quality box with a little thing on the top. We will then be putting this back on its place. Now we will begin with my watch in the second bag. The third Apple Watch being mine with cellular Series 4 silver aluminum casing, white sport band, 44mm. The thing again also starts as pull tab. I want mine to be unboxed a good way, so I'm going to see rip off the sides, rip off the entire thing, and just pull it like that. Crumple this all out, because I'm not saving that. And here's my watch. I should open up the perfect way. I hope it's fun for both. Here it is, my watch. There's not much of a difference between the E and GPF only models. And here we go. This video, if you're still here, we'll also be setting this one up. First thing we'll be doing will be unboxing the watch itself again. This is my watch. 44mm. So to get this off, it feels like we may have to push it across here. As you can see, the new case design. Much different compared to the old one. And as you can see, definitely the bottom part of the watch. And the speaker system, which is definitely for sure a lot different compared to the original Apple Watch. Got a good difference there, the original Apple Watch and the Apple Watch Series 4. Yes, I've kept my original Apple Watch since 2015. The units have had to be replaced due to a battery pull-up or something. I will be keeping this, it's worth more than money. This is the normal, usual stuff, instructions, you've seen it before. Cable, power brick, and there's nothing else underneath it. This is everything you get in the box. This time we'll be doing something a little bit different. We will actually be setting it up. As we now hold this button for a few seconds. This will now turn on. As it starts up, we will also unbox the new band for this watch, which will actually take out its box this time. Apple, Copyright 2018, designed in California, with the normal instructions. And there's the watch, going to an iPhone. So once we put an iPhone nearby it, putting my iPhone 8 nearby it, it says use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. I click continue, brings the Apple Watch app. This is how you pair the Apple Watch up. Your Apple Watch is paired. Carrier settings update. New settings are available. Should I update them now? Yes. We shall restore from backup. Which one? Do you want 12.4.18 or 21.9.19? We want the today's version. And as of now, it's pairing, so it sets the language along with flipping the watch over to this side. I agree. I didn't even read any of it. Send your count. This may take a few minutes. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh, it's your settings. Apple Watch shares settings with its iPhone 4 location services, Find My iPhone, Siri, and Analytics. I said that wrong. Some watch faces and applications may use your location when location services is on. The Activity app will be downloaded to your iPhone. Apple Watch automatically works with Share My location when you leave your iPhone behind. Create a passcode. Enter your 4-digit passcode on your Apple Watch. I will now take this out of camera view, just because I want to insert my link. Well done. Heart rate. Apple Watch can help you look after your heart. No, let's have a little heart rate notifications. Okay, let's set Apple Pay later. Emergency SOS. Mobile data setup. I will skip this step. Here we go. Apple Watch is now syncing. We have the basics, display, digital crown, side button, and all that good stuff for now. For now, while we wait, we'll also take the band out of its box, and we'll also set it up. This is the small medium, medium and large. I would use my normal bands I have now, but I would like to set up a new band. The click sound means that the watch is now inside. It's quite a bit difficult getting used to this new bottom, as I am not used to it. Your Apple ID and iPhone number are being used for an iMessage new Apple Watch. You can look at your progress here. I do not take the other band out. For me, I would personally choose a medium to small size, not a medium to large size. So I want to get this out somehow. You have its box. I remember these when I first got this one. It felt exactly like this, like the iPhone cables. It was pretty good. You also have the extra size of the option available. For now, we will put this away. It was signed exactly the same. I'm sliding it in wrong. And it should be in. No, it's not. There's it clicked. Now it's in. The watch is now in. We can now take this plastic wrapping off. Just a little thing over here. I can now go over here, the pile of garbage. We can also now take off my current watch. This is the original Apple Watch, Index glass, bunch of good stuff, and sensors. We also now put this watch on. It looks so clean, I just don't want to put it on because it's so clean. But we have to. Let's run the video. Wow, small to medium really does make a difference. For once, I'm not using the small size. Okay, you put it on the wrong way. Woohoo. Just to make sure. I flipped the bands wrong. Woohoo. I have to get this back out now. Somehow. In case you mess up, just push that little button at the top. Just slide these bands back out. Which then you can proceedingly slide these bands back in the other direction. Here we go. You now can compare the old Apple Watch to the new Apple Watch. The screen is much bigger than the new one. The old one, this is the original Apple Watch compared to the new one. The screen looks much better compared to the old one. I much prefer this version. Although I will be switching bands around the old one and the new one because this band is visually yellowed, as you can see, over use. This one's not yellowed. So now we can also now put this watch on. You also put the medium to large band on, which I've been using the small setting on. In this one, we don't have to put the small setting on, because we already have a good enough setting. We have a nice snug fit, and it works well. For fun comparison, we will put both watches on both arms. Woohoo! Both watches on both arms. It's great, isn't it, having two Apple Watches? We will be using the original Apple Watch. The reason why I'm doing all this stuff is because the watch is still syncing. Let's go to display. Tap to select, swipe, scroll, and move. Press firmly for more options, and change watch face. Digital crown. Press to return to the watch face. Press and hold to talk to Siri. Turn to scroll, zoom, or adjust. Side button. Press to show the dock. Double click to Apple Pay. Press and hold for medical ID, emergency, SOS, and power. That's it. Cancel. So far, we just have to wait now. Lots of waiting, and more waiting. So one thing I wonder, this no longer wants to stay together anymore. We'll put this back in its box because I do not need the medium to large band at the moment. You watch me put this thing back into the box slowly. I've not found the Apple stickers yet, unfortunately. What a great thing when you woohoo, it's great when this stuff gets stuck in there and you can't get it out. Nobody needs warranty information. See, nobody needs warranty information. So I'd be keeping this, the box, and this wrapping. It's pretty nice. Wrap everything back up in it. It's not the best wrapping, but this part is better. It's physically stronger, more corner, and more sharp. It's almost ready still. I'm at 35% my iPhone. I'm just playing around at this point. You can skip ahead if you want to. And this is done. It's gonna take me a while to get used to this. Welcome to the new Apple. Welcome to the Watch app. All this great stuff. Apple Store. You can do all this great stuff in your watch. Watch gallery. Looks like it doesn't look at the new ones. Here it is, my Apple Watch. As both watches appear to be paired to the same iPhone, I wonder. WatchOS 5.0 by Watch Update. So we can go here, and we currently have 3 watches paired. One watch is the old watch, one's the new watch, and the other one's the other watch. Problem is, I just don't know which one's which. Most of you are waiting for me just to continue. point, I'm here wondering if many of my apps still work on the old one. I wonder what happened if I continue. As I wait, okay, press digital credit and start. Ooh, a nice animation zooming straight into the thingy, cleaning up the watch. We have new notifications. The watch does vibrate when you scroll the menu, which is something new. Activity, move goal 200%. This actually looks visually better. Ready to speak? Or just bring Apple Watch closer to your mouth and make the request. There's no need to press the crown or say, "Hey Siri." Testing, is this working?
I'm not sure I understand.
Siri talks. All these apps are here. We have walkie-talkie, camera shutter button, photos, a bunch of good things, including our calculator. Overflow. The new Apple Watch cannot divide by 0. Book a times this number by this number. Woohoo. Measuring heart rate. Heart rate can notify you if Apple Watch detects if your heart rate is high or low for 10 minutes. You can adjust or turn off the notifications in your watch app on your iPhone. Turn on. Measure my heart rate, see how accurate it is. To get a reading, which is a little odd. I was imagining a reading would be instant. Hello? Reading? Hello? Okay, we'll skip that. We have resting rates, walking rates, and currents. There's a little thing over here, little red ring, a microphone, and a side button. Pressing that will bring this menu up. Going to all of our nice apps. We have Breathe. It does launch apps much quicker. So there's also a walkie-talkie. I think Apple Inc. has walkie-talkie. We'll also go to radio. CBS News Radio. And this radio. I shouldn't be showing these. Even though it's free advertising for them, no problem. I'm not making money off any of this. I won't be showing maps. Most maps do not seem to be showing on here. What was it, 82%? Hold this thing, what goes there? And hold this button to change the rest. I am waiting for a heart rate response. Oh, here, let's look under the wrist. There's a single green light, as you can see. Actually, 2 green lights under the thing. You see it? Yes, that's how it works. Heart rate sensor. It's pretty nice. So that's going to be it for the video so far. This is the iPhone 8, the original Apple Watch, and the Apple Watch Series 4. Both watches are similar in comparison, but definitely the Series 4 is better. Look at the differences between those two. Hopefully this video wasn't too long, hopefully it wasn't boring. And if it wasn't good, it didn't help you enough, there are thousands more videos online, including unboxing 3 Apple Watches at one time. Wasn't that a great video? And then Apple Watch box. Or not Watch, the bags from Apple Store. And then there's Brutus, my cats, sleeping over there in the corner. being fat. Thank you for watching, and I will sure hopefully enjoy this new Apple Watch.